I said to Del, what are they calling me?
Have your chopsticks?
Do I have my chopsticks? Good question. This is like request hour. This is good. Play with the bumblebee. Yeah, okay, good. I'll just by ear, you know. Well, I had one in mind. You know, I was thinking that maybe you might like to hear that crazy chopstick thing, just because I know there are a few young people here. I mean, I know there's a lot of young at heart people here, but you know what the young people are doing with the ukulele now is a little bit different. So, if you'll indulge me.
Yes.
It is very, very unplanned.
Are we doing a techno show down at Polo?
This is
Chopsticks.
yeah. Okay, so this is how it goes. This is like James the sound man, and can we have a hand for him? Because he's been making it easy for us. Here. Rolling with the punches, and here comes a big punch. So, well, I don't know quite what to say about this. But this is how it goes. We've got, actually, these are my favorite chopsticks here. We've got a pair of chopsticks, a piece of hockey tape, which I've attached to the front of the ukulele, a non-stick pad, you know, the kind that, no, it's not a piece of toilet paper. It's one of those non-stick jar opening pads there so the ukulele doesn't fly off my knee. I've got a rubber thimble, and if you're thinking about taping this for YouTube, don't. Because those poor little cameras, the sound is always terrible. Because there's a lot of bass that comes out of this thing. You know, when I go to, I've also got a plastic hair comb, which obviously I use exclusively on my ukulele. So there's a lot of bass that comes out of these things, and that's why the sound is never very good on the little cameras, because these days I have to phone ahead to the venues and make sure they have a subwoofer for my ukulele. The way you play chopsticks on the ukulele is you take one of the sticks and you put it very gently between the strings, like that. And when you do that, now it becomes like almost like a new instrument. It's still ukulele, it's still tuned like ukulele, but we can make all sorts of new sounds. Sounds like. Now these are all sound. This is like a new, you know, instrument, you know. Yeah, ukuleles were harmed in the making of this. That's the easy part. Do we have anybody who listens to hip hop? You seem like kind of a hip hop crowd. So, would you like to hear some ukulele hip hop? I'll take that as a yes. Here's a little bit of ukulele hip hop, just to prove, just to prove once and for all that ukulele can do that too. That's silly, isn't it? You'll notice I haven't used the comb yet. Because the comb is really dangerous. The comb is it's like 74 cents, but it can blow up just about any PA system in the world. So the idea with the comb is that the comb is like old school techno music, Back in the day when it was really fast and really hard and really in your face. And the comb makes this kind of a sound. Now look out now. It goes like this. The dance part is...
You can play the rave tonight at Pono. That's what we said.
There's Pono rave tonight, is that right? Yeah. Alright. I'll see if I can get on the set list. Thank you very much. I just want to make one point. I just want to make one point here, and that is...
Don't try this at home.
The point... Yeah, don't try this at home. The point is this. It's like it's still all there, No ukuleles were harmed.